parts because my recording just stopped for some reason. I don't know why. So we were graphing these and we said this was 6% and this was 6%, and then we had an 88%, which is all the way up. 90% would be halfway between there, so I'm going to go there.
You guys missed a lot.
This is 88%. Yeah, they were making fun of Luke while I was getting this stuff going.
It wasn't even a good insult.
88%. Whatever.
You're kind of garbage.
Okay? Good? That's what it looks like. Happy with that?
You have feelings?
No, exactly.
All right, let's go to the back side. Same thing again, but just running a simulation and trying to see what we've got going on here. A survey of East High School students found that 40% had brown eyes. So I'm going to say 40% brown. Okay? 30% had hazel eyes. 20% had blue eyes. And 10% had green eyes. Okay? Design a simulation that can be used to estimate the probability that a randomly chosen student will have one of these eye colors. Assume that the student's eye color will fall into one of these categories. So Chase Osdick said they have no eyes, like they're missing their eyes. And I said that's not an option because it says assume that the student's eye color will fall into one of these categories. So we're assuming that we don't have anybody with no eyes, okay? Like they don't have eyes. So anyway, we have to figure out, we're going to use a random number generator. And we have to figure out how we're going to set this up, okay? So using random number generator, how can we assign the numbers so that they are in the relationship of 40%, 30%, 20, and 10?
1 through 4 is brown. 5 through 7 is hazel.
Okay, so you're saying use 10 numbers. What's
Hi,
up?
buddy.
Me?
Oh, you're
Sure.
in trouble.
Oh, I'm in
We
trouble.
could go 1 through 4 instead.
I think we would have to do 1 through...
4.
No, we couldn't do that.
What?
1 through 4 instead? Oh, good thought. Okay, so this is what Haley says.
5 through 7.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is what, so hold on just a second. This is a really good point. This is a really good point. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. She's saying let's use a random number generator. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's going to randomly pull out numbers, right?
Yes.
But what are the chances of pulling out a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4?
10%.
40%.
No. Each one of those, just wait, if we only have 4 numbers, each one of those has a 25% chance of getting pulled out, right?
Yeah, that's why you need 10 numbers.
But that's why you need 10 numbers. Does that make sense? That's a really good point. So if you only have those 4 numbers, each one of those has a 25% chance or 1/4 chance of getting pulled out. That's why we have to have extra numbers to accommodate the 40%, 30%, 20, and 10, right?
Okay, so you do 10 numbers.
Does that make sense? What?
Brown is 4 numbers. Hazel
Okay,
is 3
so
numbers.
Caden says brown is going to be 4 numbers. So we're going to designate, out of these 10 numbers, we're going to designate that brown is going to be 1 through 4, right?
Hazel, 5 through 7.
Hazel is going to be 5, 6, and 7.
Blue, 8, 9, 10.
8 and 9 are going to be blue. And 10 is going to be green. Okay? So when we have it pull out these numbers, if it is a 7, it's going to be a person with hazel eyes. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
You can't just do 1 through 4. That's a good point. Okay? Now, what we could have done, real quick, what we could have done is 40% is technically like the numbers 1 through 40. We could designate those as brown, right? Pulling out the numbers 1 through 40. Then we could have done 41 through, 70 would be hazel, right? We could have done 71 through 90 would be blue eyes, and we could have done 91 through 100 to be green eyes, right? Because that's in the same relationship, right? But what's easier, doing 1 through 10 or 1 through 100? 1 through 10 is a lot easier, so we're going to go this route instead. But you could still design a simulation that's listed like that. You're just going to have a lot of numbers to count up, right? So let's go ahead and run this simulation. So I'm going to pop over here, and I'm going to go to my number generator, and let's designate. Minimum number is?
1.
Maximum number is? 10. Okay, how many numbers do we want it to pull? We're going to say 100. Okay, duplicates on, rerun. Here we go. Whoa.
Whoa.
I told you you
Not
can't have
applicable.
numbers. It's impossible.
I put a negative on the end there. Okay, I didn't like that. I didn't realize I had that on there. There we go. Now we're pulling those numbers. Okay? And what is it doing? We don't have it zoomed out far enough. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. So how do you want to do this? What's the easiest way of tallying these?
Count 1 through 4 first.
Count how many 1 through 4s there are. This fifth period, we counted like how many 1s there were, how many 2s there were, how many 3s there were, how many 4s there
No,
were.
they're stupid and they take forever.
You think so?
We could do 2 numbers at a time, like 1 and 2, 2 and, or 3 and 4.
There, are they already counting them up?
That's about as 10. And 4s. There's a lot of 4s.
Hey, I bet there's 10 tens. Roughly.
Roughly, yeah.
38, 39, 40, 41.
Are you guys counting 1 through 4s?
I don't know. Luke's just scrolling.
1 through 4s. That's all. That's all. All of them are up
I
there.
said,
Right. I'm gonna count the 1
There's
through
one
4s.
more row. There's one more row.
No, there's
No, there's
not.
not. Letter numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Did you get 41?
Yes.
41, 1 through 4s. That's what I got.
Just go ahead.
41, 1 through 4s. Okay. The next one is 5 through 7s.
1 and 11.
Together way too low.
Woo!
I still count 12.
5 through 7, 5, 6, 7.
Are you serious?
1,
You
2,
can't.
3,
Now I
4.
12, 10.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah, I can tell
7,
you that.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No, 15. I lost count. Dang it.
Hey, you lost count.
I lost count.
Hey.
I'm doing 5, 6, 7. Does somebody have a number? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
All in your English.
25, 26, 27, 28.
Yeah.
28? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? 28 hazels.
And my paper.
Okay, blues. Blues are what numbers? 8, 9. Those should be a little easier. We're getting easier. 8, 9s.
Do you have a
Look for
problem
blues.
with me, right? My
There's
writing?
19.
Because if you have a problem with my
19.
1,
No, just
2,
the way you write.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
That's what
Man.
Caden said.
That's what Caden said, 19.
Yeah.
19, 8, 9s.
Stop.
I'll add these up. We're not counting anymore.
Okay, green. Oh, the 10s are easy. 1, 2,
There's 11.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11.
There's a
Do all of those add up to be?
4, 5, 6.
Oh man, we're missing one.
Are we? We're 99. Can we just add one to one of them and guess?
We're missing one.
I'm not